In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Phone Dialer app update problem on your Android phone. So here, if I open up my phone application here, as you can see, I have already upgraded my Google phone application to the latest version, and I'm using all the advanced feature from here. So if you still not updated your device, or you're having problem to update the phone application on your device, then today's video I'll go ahead and show you how you can actually fix the problem and update your phone application to the very latest version, that you can actually explore all the new features by the Google phone application. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the update problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the Play Store and then go and tap on the search bar and search for Phone by Google. And once you have searched with the Phone by Google, you get to see the Phone by Google application. This is the default app. And the very first thing that you have to do is just to scroll down and you'll get to see that you are a beta tester. So first thing first, you'll get to see that you are not a beta tester like this. So you just need to tap on this rejoin or the join button here and tap on join and make sure it shows that you are a beta tester now. And then scroll up, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your phone application to the latest version. Or if you don't find an update, just go and tap on this uninstall button and tap on uninstall. Don't worry, this will not uninstall the app, it just uninstall the update. And once you have uninstalled this one, you'll get to see the update button is now available. Go ahead and tap on this update button, and this will update the phone application to the latest version. You just have to wait some time. And once you have updated this one, and here it says that you are a beta tester, you just need to get back to the home page of the Play Store. And from the Play Store homepage, you just need to tap on this profile icon at the top right, and then go and tap on the settings option at the bottom. And once you're here inside the settings, tap on network preferences, and then go and tap on auto update apps. Make sure it's selected update over Wi-Fi or update over mobile data, whatever you want. So the reason why I'm using the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to select the Wi-Fi from here and then get back to the home page. Just go back to the home page of your phone and then force close the phone and the Play Store from the background. And once you have done that, and now if you open up the phone application, you'll get to see that your phone application is updated and you're using the very latest version. Now you can easily use all the advanced features with the update in 2025 with the Google phone application. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.